Today I will show you that we are the most the most good base. F list. We are the first ones, and I will show you our base. Right?
We are the most. So much people, strong factions, OP gear, and
Yeah. Look this game. Yeah. Just stop. We are so OP. Look in this chest. I mean, here's nothing. No, this is so OP. I know. So that's it. We have enchant books, and this is my chest. It's nice. You can see it. So yeah, that's it.